Headings are a really important tool for organizing content in Canvas. They divide information into sections and make it easier for everyone, especially users of screen readers, to navigate and understand your page. So first, we're just going to go over things to keep in mind when you are using headings, and then we'll show you how to create them in Canvas. Headings come in 6 levels. Heading 1 is the most important, usually for the main title. And heading 6 on the other end of the spectrum is used for the smallest subsections. So in Canvas, the page title right here is automatically set as a heading 1. We only want one heading 1 per page, so you shouldn't create another heading 1 in the body of your Canvas page. It's also important to use headings in the correct order. Remember that headings that have equal or higher importance with the one above it begins a new section, while headings of lower importance create subsections within the larger section. Also make sure that heading levels are not skipped. So for example, if we have a level heading 2 right here, and we need a subsection, we're going to make it a heading level 3. We're not going to make it go from a heading level 2 to a heading level 4. However, you can always go back up to a higher level heading when needed. So for example, we could go from a heading 4 to a heading 2. Also, just make sure that headings are only used to indicate new sections and not just to make text look bigger or bolder. So to add a heading in Canvas, we can use this Paragraph Styles drop-down menu in the toolbar. So right here we can, let's say we want this to be a heading, we can easily select a heading 2, 3, or 4. If you need a heading 5 or 6, you can apply that in Design Tools, which we're going to go take a look at now. So Design Tools lets you check all of the headings on your page in one place. So under the Accessibility tab right here, we're going to select Heading Checker, and it's going to show us all of our headings and their structure. So if there's a skipped heading level, so if this was a 4 instead of a 3, it would go ahead and highlight it in red. And you can just quickly fix it by adjusting what level it is with these arrows. These arrows also, as we talked about before, if you need a heading 5 or 6, you can use these arrows to go ahead and change your heading to a 5 or a 6. And this just really helps make your Canvas pages more organized, more readable, and more accessible for your students.